Hello viewer, we have that design in Photoshop, so let's generate it and keep on making the different tools. Again make the further one round rectangular shape. Other we have the shape or design here. We can write anything. So here we are making the designs. It's a tool there. We will use it.